Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn the hot water irrigation dye recipe. Gather up all of your supplies. So obviously you need bottles, right? Now you're working with soda ash, so you want to wear a mask. And then you need a 1/4 cup measuring cup for the soda ash. You want a measuring spoon for the dye. You need some masking tape and a permanent marker so that you can mark on the tape, and a funnel. And that's really pretty much it. Oh, and then get some paper towels so that you can clean your measuring spoon. I'm going to try to be as efficient as possible, so I'm going to do this in an assembly line. So I'm going to start by filling all of my bottles with 1/4 cup soda ash. The next step is to fill each bottle with dye, and I felt like my teaspoon was just too big for the opening and I didn't want to have to go through the funnel and create extra work for myself, so I decided to use a 1/2 teaspoon, which fit nicely into the opening of each one of these bottles. So you're going to watch me do 4 scoops of level scoops of 1/2 teaspoon of dye. So again, that's going to be 2 teaspoons total in dye. So we just made ultraviolet and now we're going into lemon yellow. So you want to make sure that you clean off your measuring spoon. So you know I'm always harping on a new spoon for each pot of dye, right? Well, you're about to watch me go right from lemon yellow into deep orange, and I'm not going to clean the teaspoon, and you know I should. But after a while of dyeing, you start to learn what you can get away with. Lemon yellow is the primary color for deep orange, and deep orange is darker than lemon yellow, so it's going to be okay. And then I'm almost positive I go from deep orange right into fuchsia red. You know, I don't recommend this, you guys, but I want to show you the real side of tie-dye. After a while, you start to get a little more lax, but you definitely do not want to go from deep orange right into robin's egg blue. That could be disastrous. So thank goodness I remembered to wipe the spoon before going into robin's egg blue. Robin's egg blue is lighter than cerulean blue, so I got away with it again. Well, there it is, guys. It's easy peasy. That's all you need to do to make your dye for hot water irrigation. And I strongly recommend that you watch the tutorial that goes with this video, and I will have the link for it down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, and then click the bell and set it to all. That way you get notified of future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.